Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. I finished today at 2:30 already. Even if you want to go alone, I would be waiting when you're coming home. It is raining a little bit. I was never in love, never happy. I am feeling lazy today, but yeah, still we're going to do some chin up, pull ups in here. And look in there, it's low tide. Yeah, the water is very far. You can see the grass water. Actually have this coffee. I made it before leaving the workplace. So this is a Nescafe, a sugar, and a little milk. In our cafeteria we have a kettle boiler, but I saw that it's full, so it will take time to boil the water. So I just decided to get water from the faucet. Yeah, from the tap. The hot water from the tap. You don't need a kind make love to you. What you do when I hold you tight, baby, all through the night I'll make love to you. Yeah, they're a couple. They walk around there along the beach, and now they are going home. Nice life they have. It is now 5 o'clock and I'm going to eat. I already had the ice cream and coffee, and now I'm going to eat. And I'm going to eat this. This is the one that is coming from Philip. Yeah, thank you Philip for this. And I'm going to eat it with rice. Actually, I'm not happy with just like that. I don't know how it tastes like, but anything with the soy sauce, tomato and onion and salt is good. Not bad. Finish. Yo, good morning to you guys. Yeah, in here it is like this. It is actually yeah, there was a rain last night, and at the moment there's a little like a mist. Yeah, very tiny particles of water in the space. Yeah, and it smells like you know, if yeah, maybe that tree or any leaves. Yeah, in here it smells like minty something, I don't know. Yeah, just good. I don't know if it's going to be rainy the whole day. I hope not. Okay, we go. It was already 5:35 when I left the house. My duty today is 6 o'clock as usual. I have been working at breakfast since June. Yeah, that is how it is there. You don't see the horizon. You don't see the other islands. Look at this. It looks like elephant. You see that? Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And we'll see you later. I'll be finishing my duty at 2 o'clock. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it was 2:09 when I signed out. We are going home now. There's no more rain. Yeah, but during the time that I was working, raining. Okay, we are now here in the store. We're just waiting for the fish and chips. We are going to eat the fish and chips in the house. We are not going to do pull-ups, chin-ups today because that is wet. Also, I am feeling tired. And I'm also going to eat this. I'm hungry. And we're going straight home. That's Inigo. Yeah, it is now 3:15. I just finished this. I mean, yeah, just the fish. The chips is too much. That's why I don't eat that much. I also eat ice cream. This one is ice cream. And this is where I am going to make a coffee. And this is going to be my first coffee for today. Yeah, because this morning I did not have a coffee. I had oatmeal and muesli. It's like my breakfast. Yeah, at around 5 o'clock, 4:30 something like that. And then when I get to work, the waitress, they gave us a coffee, but I didn't finish it. I just sip like maybe 5 sip, and then it gets busy and I didn't finish it. I didn't drink it during my break time because I am worried that I will be going to the toilet again. Yeah, so just now I am having this full one. That maybe is the reason why I am very sleepy this time. I don't want to sleep because if I sleep to this time, I will be having a hard time to sleep tonight. Yeah, I'm really sleepy. I go sleep. I won't be able to drink this. Actually, I don't know, it's raining outside. You see? Yeah, raining now. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, good morning guys. We are going to work now. Exactly 5:30 when I left the house. 6 o'clock is my duty today, like always. I'm doing a breakfast. Yeah, and we'll be finished by 2 o'clock. Oh, they cut the flowers in here. No more flowers around here. You know, the yellow one. It was raining last night. That's why things are wet today. Yeah, okay, so I'll see you later. The best for last. Yeah, the color of the sun is very good looking today. Yeah, also the low tide something is something looks different. Yeah, there is a wide sand area and it's really good looking. Nice. And we are now here in Albura Marina, and this is how it is at the moment. Not too much people, but on that side there is like one big group. They're having like a gatherings, picnic on that area. Yeah, very windy, and at the moment there are some kids in the water. They are playing in there. My world, I give you my heart. This is a melody world. I desire forever as I become. Expose your eyes. Yeah, that's it. We're going home now. We are going to the ATM machine to get some cash. Oh, look at this. This one's really become one lane road. Yeah, both sides are now parking place, parking area, car park. Yeah, I am now going to do my laundry. Just the trouser and apron. And I'm actually using the dishwashing because I forgot to buy laundry soap. And today we received the Christmas gift coming from the company. A simple greetings and a gift card, $200. Yeah, and the one from last year is still in my wallet. Let's check because maybe this one is already expired. Oh, 3 years expiration. Yeah, we're going to eat this one. This is just 75 cents. 3 pieces of fish. Yeah, this is what we're going to eat. Yesterday I didn't eat rice. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are here in the locker, and I will show you this bike. Yeah, nice. It's specialized. Yeah, this brand is expensive. Yeah, this is the new bike of Rafael. Because Rafael is a very active guy. He is going to join in the triathlon, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, something like that. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. 2 o'clock when I sign out. And now it is like this. It is raining at the moment. There are some thunders and lightning going on at the moment. We are not going to do pull-ups today, chin-up today, because yeah, it is raining. This is the very first time that I see this park without any car. Look at that, there's no any one car in here. Droplets is coming bigger and bigger now. Yeah, the rain is getting heavy and heavier. Okay, we are now here in the grocery. We are just going to buy laundry soap. It's going to be this one. This is just $5.50. We are also going to take a hand wash, and the cheapest is this one. This is just $1.50. Yeah, this is what I'm telling you before, that yeah, it's raining but the temperature is hot. Raining and you're sweating also. Yo, I got this package. Actually, it's a gift. I don't know what is inside yet. It's coming from John. John is my friend. We are working together in Dubai, and then we travel together in Europe and in Southeast Asia. And now he is in Canberra with a girlfriend. This one looks like a shoes. Looks like a shoes, yeah, Adidas. This one, it's Ultra Boost 19. It looks big. It looks long, but it's actually very comfortable inside. Amazing. Thank you, John and Charlene. I don't understand the weather. Yeah, outside is now sunny again. I just pick it up from outside, but it's still wet. And I'm going to put it back. Yeah, because there is a sun again. Okay, I hope that is going to be dry before yeah, the sunset today is until around 8 o'clock, still early.